Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, I have a five-bedroom fully detached house. It's located at Banana Island, Ikoyi. I'm try to show you around the compound. Here's the kitchen entrance there. Here's one of the BQ and the generator house. There's the GP, the water tanks. This is the second BQ. That's two BQ. Can see how massive the compound is, with a lot of grassland, well fenced. This is the main entrance of the property. Yeah, at least the number of cars that can accommodate not less than 8 to 9 cars. Yeah, so I'll be entering through the back, which is the kitchen. Yeah, so this is the exit entrance here. Here's the kitchen. Comes with a microwave oven, heat extractor. There's one of the sitting room. There's a massive sitting room here. Very lovely. Here's the dining section. This is the ante room. Yeah, that's the entrance there. That's the second dining also too. There's the under staircase. You can put your inverter there. There's one of the room on the ground floor here. Comes with a cubicle shower. I'll be heading upstairs to the remaining 4 rooms. So by my right here is one of the room. Comes with a wardrobe, 2 ventilated windows. Here's the second room. Sorry, the third room. Yeah, you can see all the rooms are renovated, and in the compound also too. It has been renovated. So we have both the fourth and the fifth room. And here's the fourth room here. Comes with a wardrobe, cubicle shower. So this is the madam's room, the master's. It comes with a gigantic wardrobe. You can see how lovely it is. So it comes with a bankole. So the offer is going for 130 million for rent. Inside the Banana Island, I said they see close. And we're expecting your DM and calls. Yeah, thank you.